Greetings, it's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and this is the Cardboard DaVinci YouTube channel. And I get a quick but clever cardboard assembly tip for you here that uses wire to make a strong yet flexible connection between pieces of cardboard. And I had shown you there the corrugations in the cardboard, and we're going to insert wire into those corrugation slots. And this is kind of a neat little process because you can use it to make really strong connections between pieces of cardboard, and you can also leave it so that if you want flexibility in your project, you can bend it any way you like. You can, it's almost like a door hinge. So insert some pieces of wire in there and then add some glue. Or you could put the glue in the corrugation first and then add the wire. It's probably better that way. But if you do it this way, just push it in a little bit so that glue gets into the corrugation. Now, if you have trouble, sometimes it can be a little tricky getting it into the second piece of cardboard. I'll show you a trick. Either insert them to different depths like this, like a scale, shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter, and then, or just trim them down, so that way you can insert them one at a time. See, I'll insert that top one, and then the next one, just get it in a little bit. And then the next one and the next one. You get the idea. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a couple of variations here that you should be aware of. There you go, nice fit. So let's add some glue to that second part. And you can use just about any kind of glue for this, including hot glue. And close it as far as you want. You leave a little bit of gap if you're going to be hinging it a lot, if you want some movement in your piece. Or you can close it all the way, and I'll show you that too. And it'll still hinge. So a nice little technique. Now let me show you a couple of things here. It really comes in handy, adds a lot of strength and adds flexibility so you can hinge your cardboard pieces. But a couple of things to think about is, like I mentioned, cardboard does come in different thicknesses. So those corrugations are of different sizes. So you got to watch for that. See that the bottom one there is not as thick as the top one. And wire also comes in different thicknesses. So if you're having trouble, try different cardboard or different wire. Anyway, thank you. If you like cardboard projects, I got a whole bunch here already, and I got a whole lot more coming. I got a list. I'll post some of them in the description of this video. You can see what's coming up in this on this channel. Thank you. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Leave a comment. If you have a cardboard question, let me have it. Thank you. Perché la minestra si fredda.